I was working in a job that I think that it was like my job because it was very similar than things that I like to make in my life. But 2 years later, I saw that this is a very big trash. So 2 weeks ago, I left, and now I want to change my life, make things for me, not for other people.
Welcome. Let's begin. 2 weeks ago, I was walking in the old center of Lisbon, not far from my salon. One model for a filming day had cancelled, so I started approaching random people and asking, would you like a free haircut right now? I want to film it for YouTube. It won't surprise you that 20 people said no thank you. I was about to give up when I saw a girl with a camera taking photos of pigeons in front of a historical building, and I thought, she's a creative person, probably not in a rush, and her hair isn't that long, so she could be up for a cut. I need to try. That was Flor, and you already know part of her story. She's from Tenerife, and she took this vacation as a reset. So my proposal to give her a new hairstyle was perfectly timed.
It's so boring, no? I want to change my life. I want to make another person, so I want to make another physical person as well. The finch, it was by myself, and look, it's more in this side than in that one, and
Okay.
longer, shorter, so disaster.
I would like to give you some change with your hairstyle because actually even keeping the length, we can do a lot like to change how it can look like. Did you try to style it curly to like show the world your natural curls, how actually curly it can be? Did you try it?
No, never.
Because now like, yeah, it's kind of more flat here and
And later.
all the volume is only here. Because volume is always where the hair tips are, and this hair is like super straight. Well, I think I can help you with this reset and give you some inspiration for the future with the haircut, because you
Okay.
will like it will really change the way you look. Like it will stay classical, but will be like a different vibe, and
Okay.
hopefully it will give you some inspiration. Ready for this?
I'm ready.
Let's wash your head and start. Follow me.
Okay.
As always, I start with the shampoo, then apply conditioner and comb through the hair so it won't tangle as much afterward. I want to share one of my little tricks with you. While the client or model is relaxing at the shampoo bowl, I always use that time to think through the haircut in detail. Sometimes I even change the plan and make a new suggestion. That's exactly what happened with Flor.
So, what I'm thinking, you had a fringe before, right? Mm-hmm. It's part of the fringe. But I don't want to give you a fringe today. And I don't want to bring more cuteness in this period of your life. I want something more bold for you.
Okay.
So yeah, and actually, yeah, with these layers will work exactly like this. And also the styling, so it will work together. So,
Oh, shame.
like over length, I will just trim the very tips. So I don't need to shorten too much here. The biggest like difference will be here.
Yeah, in
This hair, yeah.
Okay.
Let's start. I'll put some curl cream. I'll use it for the final styling, but also now for more easy brushing.
If you enjoy transformations like this, honest, simple and real, you can subscribe. and give this video a like. More stories are coming. I choose a classic Tony and Guy layered haircut for Flor. The key detail is that I lift all the hair straight up, rather than pulling it diagonally towards the face. That way, the difference in length between the layers around the face and the crown stays very small, and the crown still gets plenty of volume. I often start haircuts like this with layers, not face framing, because the most important thing for me is placing the volume correctly. The length around the face never ends up too short, so that face framing isn't going anywhere, and I can adjust it at the very end. Layers might seem like a simple technique, but in reality, they bring up a lot of questions.
Did you have something cut like this before?
Not like this, normal layers, like 2, maybe 3 as much, but not like from the top to the end. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Just 2 or 3 layers, but all straight, all of them. I don't know. I'm not a specialist hairdresser. Technique,
It's always
vocabulary.
it's always interesting for me how people count layers, because actually it's like if layer is one row, like it can be like million of layers here, thousands of layers, because when you push all hair up,
Yeah.
like to the one point, and then you see layers, it's when you see hair coming out of hair, out of hair,
Yeah.
out of hair. So you can't actually count this, because it's not like one block of layers, then second block of layers, like all connected and fall down from some point.
Here I'm simply cleaning up the line, just refreshing the tips. I want to keep the overall length as much as possible. I comb the hair at the front forward, and you can see a small curve. It follows the shape of the temple hollow. Through that shortest point, I connect the hair on the fringe with the hair on the side.
That's the most uncomfortable part to cut for the left-handed hairdresser in the world. For this type of styling, they should be really, really wet. you style your hair like this, like regularly, they get back to the shape much easier. But as you was not doing this, it's a bit more difficult, but
It's getting curly. You can see it. Since her hair isn't used to being styled in its natural curls, a diffuser helps a lot. Before styling, the hair has to be really wet, so the curls can form and look more defined. And the longer the hair is, the heavier it becomes, so the curl stretches out and starts to lose its shape. The diffuser helps the curls dry while they are still holding their pattern, and that makes a big difference to the final look. All the time we were doing the haircut, Flor's friend was on her way from the airport, and she arrived at the most exciting moment. So now you will get to see two reactions to the new look.
1, 2. Yo, chiquito cambio. What a change, my friend. Tía, ahora te cuento. She also wants to be a model.
Igual, me encanta.
Soy otra persona. I am another person. ¿Qué tal? Pues tía, con la que fue su modelo.
Sí, me veo, me encanta.
Mira la cámara.
Me encanta. Está súper guay.
Sí.
Joder, tía.
A ver, también rizado. I haven't ever had curly hair before, so this is like a shock.
Yeah.
But it's a good shock, not bad shock.
so,
Thank you so much.
how do you feel about it? Tell me.
No, it's
Different?
really different. It's another word, but I'm another person. I'm a new person. I was finding myself, and maybe I found that now.
Esa es tu cámara también grabando, ¿no?
Sí, la ya. No la ya.
Ah, ya. Me encanta.
She loves that. She's telling it in Spanish.
Very good.
It's just her natural texture. So, no hot stylers, nothing. And if you keep doing...
It's another face.
Yeah.
I'm powerful now.
Okay, now, but...
I really like that. Thank you so much.
Well, nice.
Yeah. How old it's me. How old am I? What do you think with this hair?
I think super cool, and you really changed. And I see even like your eyes are different.
My eyes.
How do you feel
Es
like?
que toda la vida siempre he sido pelo liso, hermano. Nunca te había visto así.
Feel more sexy? I don't know.
Yeah?
Feel like you got some energy.
Pienso lo mismo.
I think.
I think the same.
She thinks the same. No, go to the beach this holiday because my hair needs to make a healthy life.
Happy
Thank you.
Thank you for being here. A new week, a new story.